I was sent this replacement pump mounting plate for Hayward style pump and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. This is a about a 7-inch wide piece that you might have to replace if you had a freeze issue. Yeah, it comes in just over 7 inches. And then that shaft hole in the center is, yeah, it's looking like 3/4 of an inch or so going across there. But this is fit to be an exact replacement. So if you had an issue whereby your pump to your motor had maybe a freeze event or something and it cracked, then you might need a replacement like this. These come sold in singles or in packs of 2. And it's all exact same diameter and same build as the originals. Very, very sturdy. You can just feel it, that the way they've got this veining in here and the thickness that they've used all throughout is very thick here. It's 1/4 inch on this flange. That they've got this level of durability built into it because those pumps go through a lot of vibration. There's a lot of heating and cooling over the years. They have to last. So if you had a failure with yours, then this would be a good replacement. Right in here is where that seal will go for the output shaft coming from the motor that drives the pump. He's got an indication here of top, and then there's a slot here as well. So that's going to fit in exactly in the right spot for you with the 4 bolts on the corners. Now this product here is what you're going to need if you've got a crack in yours, or if you've got a crack on one of the ears, which is common to happen, then this Hayward replacement is going to be usable for you in that style of pump. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about what you're going to get when you purchase one of these replacement brackets here for your pump, where your pumping device matches up to your motor. This is that intermediary bracket in between. Hope that helps. Have a great day.